Jennifer? Oh no! Oh no, my cousin! Oh god, someone killed her. Oh god. Hi guys, welcome to Do the Games. My name is Little Do, and today we are here with episode 7 of Skyrim. There's Jennifer up there. She got messed up. Yeah, I was walking through here and she comes running over there and was like, found you, and so I just whop. I just whop. I messed her up. I just used her for the intro, so. But I found some new armor, and I found if I sound stuffy and gross, it's because I'm getting over the type B flu. It's not as bad as type A. Type A is the bad one. Like, that's the one that puts you in the bed for 2 weeks and you just feel awful. I'm getting over B. It's exactly the same, just not as bad. But I found some new armor. It's vampire armor. It's black armor. Doesn't really do anything. And I don't like the way the brown looks with it, so that. Alright, so on today's agenda, we need to go to Winterhold. Okay. Sorry, I had to adjust my microphone. I have determined that I love plushies. I made a new friend. And that friend, you can't see him because I don't have a face cam, but he's in my hand. He's a brown dog. I think he's like a beagle or something. But he's all brown and he's got floppy ears and a red bow. I'm gonna call him Charlie. How you doing, Charlie? Oh, he's so freaking cute. Like, that is one of the cutest plushies I've ever seen in my life.
Ride? Where do you want
he's
to go?
So soft. I want to go to Winterhold. Is that where it is?
Climb and back, and
yeah,
we'll be off.
Winterhold.
Nice weather for a ride. Hope it lasts. Then exploded. What did you do?
It was a minor miscalculation.
Yes.
I've already corrected it.
The mages don't let us go into college. They
This.
said it's not safe.
This is why people have a problem with your college, Nelagar.
Oh, okay.
Asher says his
Hey, what's up, loser?
college
I need
Can
to
I help
speak
you with
with
anything
you.
else? Carlia, do you have Gallus's journal? Problem. No, he's written all of the... No, the court... Word of warning. Calselmo is a fierce...
What happened? Why are there so many
Tending to your hounds.
guards? You smell like a female dog. I would say it, but I'd get in trouble. Did somebody die? What happened?
Destroyed by a dragon.
Why are there so many?
Hard to believe, isn't it? I mostly do.
Okay. Ugh. I just burped a little bit. That one took a while. Excuse me.
City underneath the keep. A shoe and cell. It's declared the one in Steve Sanctuary.
Ooh. Dwarven City, eh? I might check that out. Hey, nerd.
Look, I have things to study. Then you will. I'm calling it Calselmo. Preposterous. You must be mad to think I'd allow anyone to see it before it's completed. I'm not certain how many scholars you're accustomed to dealing with, but while I am being an admirer, I'm sure you can appreciate the... Very well. Perhaps when my research is complete, I'll feel more comfortable discussing my findings with you. The artifacts I've discovered in the Schuenzell will make history.
Shoot, I'll just steal the key. Boom! I got that key, and now I'm gonna kill that guard up there. You don't see me.
Halt!
What?
The Dwemer Museum isn't open to anyone without the court wizard's permission.
turn back around. Alright. I believe it's 2. Yeah. I hope those guards don't see this. Actually, I'm just gonna quick save, and if they do see this...
Enough!
Guard might get nervous. A man approaches with his weapon drawn.
Nice. They're just gonna let me go? Alright, so now I have to kill all these dudes in here. Because I don't have permission to be in here. Alright.
Selmo called in his entire expedition. Said he needed every man he could get to take his research. Better than us. We lost 3 good men in the track. For one, just to see another man smile a plane. Well, at least this boat is safe.
He went flying. Hey! Hey! Hate you! Come on. Just die. Just die. You don't... Controller battery low. Hang on. I gotta go get my... This is so unprofessional. You'd think I'd know when my controller batteries are low! So they all died at my hand. Nice. Alright. Yeah, these new swords are really cool, and I think I am going to use that armor. It looks absolutely disgusting, but it gives me more armor, so... Alright. Do I get to lightning bolt somebody's face? Is that a thing I can do? Can I do that? Okay, so, sorry, I was listening to that conversation. But in here, in this room, there is a unique item. Oh, God! And it controls... Hang on. It controls... that spider. Wherever that lands, that's where it goes. See? Now go over there. See? It's pretty cool. But it only controls that spider. And once that spider dies, it's done. Kill it!
Not so fast.
Kill the guard! Oh, good lord. No one can ever do anything, can they? Yeet! I always have to do stuff myself. Oh, that that bar's doored from the other side. Alright. Ah, more faces to murder. Hey lady. You gonna die. You gonna get all the death. You gonna get all the death. What? She didn't get the death. All the death. All the death. way she fell over, though. Like, that looks painful. Ouch! I don't really need the gold, but I want it. So. Hello? Okay. Do I go this way? It's been a while since I've actually done this quest. You guys, tell me if you guys want to see my looting stuff. I'm pretty sure you don't, but it's up to you guys. That is now mine, so is that. Okay, I'm gonna go figure out where I need to be, and I'll see you guys in a sec. I think I found where I need to be. Probably the giant door in the center of the room. Yep! Doofus. So I'm gonna try to be a stealthy boy. I wonder, can I activate the trap? I gotta turn back around. Yes. So I'm gonna wait for him right here. I'm gonna wait for him. Because they just keep coming back and forth. I'm gonna wait for him. Then I'm gonna get him. Get her first. Yeet! Get that out of your mouth. Death. Death. I win. Gold. Now, how did this dude die when I attacked her? Confusing game. It's quiet. Oh. Ah! Ah!
What was that?
Nothing. There's two of them.
What was that? I guess I was just hearing things.
Yeah. That was totally the problem. They just went flying. They disappeared. I'm magic. Literally. Where'd they go? Oh, they're down here. Ah. Oh, I gotta cough again, but I don't want to because it's loud. Oh. Magic dude. I'm gonna get him. With lightning to the face! No, there's nobody here. How did he not see me? I'm gonna hide in this little corner because I don't want to be seen. Okay, come on, come on. Close the eye.
Someone there?
No. Nobody's here. Yeet! What? Alright, when he gets there, I'm gonna shoot him. In the face. Oh! Oh! Aha, you missed. Oh.
Not quite good enough, are you?
Get up. Hello.
Oh.
Alright. Ooh. Ooh. That's mine. Alrighty. Yeet. I don't know what I want to talk about. I want to talk about my adorable little plushie. My adorable little plushie puppy again. Oh, nice. There it is. There's the tablet thingy. Okay. So, that's a tablet thing. So what you need to do is you need to steal some charcoal and some paper. You need to rub it. Never mind. Actually, I'm going to try to attempt that. Alright, so I looted the thing. There wasn't much in it. Yeet! Where's my swords? There they are. I can't see. Hey. No mercy, ever. Oh, 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 oh. Which way am I moving? Can't get me. Yeet. Yeet. Alright, nice. Thank you. Not enough magicka. That's bullcorn. Always have enough magicka. I'm God. Peasant. Okay, so what, in a nutshell, what happened between cuts is we figured out that Mercer Frey is really the bad guy. And now that lady in front of me, I'm not sure if you can see her, but she's that Carlia lady. She is going to face the guild to tell them what really happened. So, yeah. And, I'm fixing to get what?
A damn good reason to be here with that murderer.
Please, lower your weapons
I got
so
the
we can
Nightingale
speak.
blade. I'll mess
I
some
have proof that
mofos
you've
up.
all been misled.
No tricks, Carlisle, or I'll cut you down where you stand. Now, once
Okay,
this
well,
soap
I'm
opens,
fixing to get a
you
quest,
speak up.
and I'll see you guys
I
when
have
that starts.
Dallas's
This is happening.
Okay, so,
If we get a job,
I forgot that before I get the Nightingale armor, I have to
dare Mercer to
infiltrate.
come back.
I have to infiltrate Mercer Frey's personal home. I forgot about that. So what I need to do is I need to shoot the little mechanism up there. So I need to go get a bow. Do I have one? I do not. But I do have arrows. So I just need a bow. And none of the shops are open. Great. Alright, well, let's wait. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. There he is.
What brings you to... Blades, helmets, pretty much anything to suit your needs.
Cool.
If you need any more smithing work, come see me again.
Need
Get out of the
something?
way. Alright, let's break into Mr. Break into this place. Alright, so you see that little box thingy right there? Oh, shoot. Maybe if I stand back and... Whoop.
What was it?
Yeah.
Thought I heard something.
You did. Now open the door.
You won't get the best of me.
I will. See? Nice. Alright. So, there's a unique sword in here. It's called Chillrend. It's basically just a blue glass sword. Oh yeah. Also, between cuts, I got the Nightingale blade, which I'm going to use for a bit.
Mead. Kill him to get some beer every now and then. Stupid bees and their stupid...
At least I let him finish what he was saying.
Retire someday. Get myself an island.
Maybe, but not today. Yee! You're dead. Oh, amethyst. Okay, so the place, I think, is right here. Yep. See? Alright, there it is. Thanks. Alright. Ow! Heck these traps, man. Just heckle them right in the face. See, this is Chillrend. It's just a glass sword. But it's enchantment. Oh. I swear it's right here. Okay, maybe not. Got it. But it's enchantment. Let's check it out. Chillrend. Target takes 20 points of frost damage and a chance to paralyze the target for 2 seconds. It's a pretty sword, actually. Now let's look at it in comparison to this. Oh, that's a nice contrast. We have an ice sword. Swing them both. That's really slow. But I like that. I might keep that combination. Actually. Do this. Yeah. Take that. That. Okay. Ring of recharging. Ooh. I like that. Oh. Time to murder. 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 Alright, so I'm going to go get the armor. You guys ready? Oh, it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. And here we go. A little anticlimactic, but... Oh, there it is. Alright, so we'll put on the boots, the armor, the gloves, the hood. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, screenshot.
You appear ready for the oath.
Carly, you're on the way.
It's enough to make your head spin, eh?
Ugh. Let me try to take it again. And screenshot. Oh my god, stop talking and just go away. I'm trying to... Can I hide the compass? Can I hide the compass? This is the thing I can do. No, I cannot hide the compass. Ugh. I want to stand right here, right beside this thing, and then take the picture. Awesome. Alright, guys. Well. We do this at the end of every video. Alright, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching episode 7 of Skyrim. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, so go ahead and smack that like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe if you liked what you saw. And don't forget to turn on all notifications, not personalized. Don't forget to do that. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.